What's going on YouTube? Steven, TheSalonGuy here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an updated Cole Sprouse haircut. I'm just going to break down what I did. So I first started out cutting it, I'd say halfway down the ear area right in through here. I did it on both sides. And then what I did is I connected that going down into the back, and that's how we got the length down in through here. Did that on both sides. And then what I did is I brought everything down to this one point in through here and cut it to create kind of an established length, and also to bring this down here to maintain some length throughout the top. Then I held everything out horizontally to create a little bit of that texture through here and to remove some of that weight, so it allows the hair to kind of flip up and have some movement. And then working into the back, we held everything straight out from the head, cutting it to about, I'd say, 3 inches or so throughout the back, continuing to blend it in and connect into the top of the head. Held everything straight up. I did over direct the front a little bit just so we can leave a little bit of length in the front. Then I went in and I cut the corners right in through this area in through here, and basically connected everything so it has a nice flowing shape, very free moving. And then of course I did leave this a little bit longer in through here. This comes down to about the nose area. Then I used Tidal Wave. When it was wet, I used the Dyson Pro dryer to kind of give it a little bit of texture. I used the diffuser to enhance some of the natural kind of wave and texture that Cole has in his hair. Then I finish it off with Shadow, which is a cream pomade, and here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, don't forget to share this with Cole, tweet to him, because I don't know if you guys remember, but I did another haircut video of his hair, and they saw it, Cole and Dylan, and it went viral. So let's try to get this out to him again. Let me know if they do see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with TheSalonGuy.